Good morning from sunny Tbilisi in Georgia. I just spent the night in the Ibis airport hotel because I was meant to be meeting Lena at the airport, but because of all the strikes and missile strikes in Iran, they cancelled her flight, so she had to get a different flight to get here. So she's arriving later. So I'm gonna head into town and check into the hotel and maybe go for a little wander and show you a little bit of Georgia, a bit of Tbilisi, before I head off on a little adventure around this beautiful country. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Just waiting for me Bolt. No Uber here. Bolt, dark grey Toyota Camry. I got the snazzy version, so let's see what car turns up. I don't know what the difference is. It was like a quid or $1 or $2, whatever difference. But yeah, let's get to the hotel I'm staying in for a couple of nights, and I'll show you the hotel, and then we can bounce out, go and see something. Welcome to Georgia. Hey man. Cool. It's new, right? Yeah. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. Cool, I'm here. Look at that. Look at that entrance to the hotel. Buzzing. I remember seeing this. Building back when I was here last time, and it was empty. So it means it must be pretty new, this hotel. I never knew it was this hotel when I actually booked it, but let's go see what it's like. So I got a free upgrade. The room. Let me show you the room actually. Yeah, nice double bed, massive, isn't it? Look at that size of that bed, and then bathtub in the room. Snazzy that, right? Snazzy Johnson's. Little chair there for chilling. Let's go in the bathroom and have a look at that. Look at how nice it is in here. Jesus, I didn't expect it to be this nice. Big shower head. Yeah, it's cool, right? What's out here? Let's have a look. Nothing. Just the outside. I'll shut that off then. See you later. Wow, yeah, it's amazing in here. Free upgrade. Buzzing about that. Let's have a look at the view. Oh, okay, the view's nice. View outside. So yeah, like I was saying, right, a little restaurant down there or something, cafe restaurant. Yeah, like I was saying, I came here, I can't remember how many years ago, but it was definitely more than a couple. He was saying they've been open, the guy that showed me the room said they've been open for like a year or two maybe, so it must have been before that, because I actually was walking past here every day and looking at this building thinking, oh, that building is so nice, and now I'm just staying in it. Brilliant. I was like, even like a little I don't even know what that is, like a church or something like that. That needs work doing to it as well. Look, the little bell, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that over there. There's a little bell tower, and then there's the hill up there where you can get the cable cars. There's one actually going past now. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I don't know. Maybe. I'll find out when I edit it. Cool. So I'm going to drop my bag, figure out getting out of here, and maybe go and have a drink and wait for Lena. She doesn't get here for another couple of hours. So yeah, let's go out and have a little wander around. Hey, look at the minibar selection. There's a load of stuff in here. Normally you get like a couple of beers or something. Look at little Jameson's whiskey, Bombay Sapphire, Bacardi, a little brandy. So good, look at all this stuff in here. Beer, nuts, snacks. I mean, I know it's a nice hotel, but maybe I'm used to staying in too many shit ones. even the cups are nice. Yeah, nice. Cool. Let's get out. Should we go check out? Oh my god! Look at this view here. Cool, right? It's very quiet. Let's go check out the gym. Actually, they said there was a gym. Where are we gonna go? I don't even. The guy was talking to me so much I can't remember which way the lift is. I'm losing my mind. Oh, there it is. She just been right next to it. Yeah, let's go check out the gym. And then I think they said there was a bar downstairs, so I'm gonna go to that, see what that bar's like, and maybe have a little beer there. Where's the gym? Gym. First floor. -1. Yeah, let's go check out the gym. Even though I haven't been in the gym for ages now, like my shoulder's been really bad, my back went the other day, if you watched any of the other videos. Yeah, my back has been killing me, and my shoulder is messed up, so I've got 2 weeks left till Scotland, and then I'm going to get to a physio and sort my old man body out. Yeah, let's have a look at the gym. It's so nice, this building. Ooh, look at this. Snazzy. Where are we going? Gym. Let's have a look. Alright, okay, not bad. Not bad. Little treadmill, some weights. Scales, don't stand on them. Down there. What's a Tbilisi? What's one of those? A Tbilisi. Oh wow, they're like a little chill out area. Can you see that? Can't, can you? Go down. Can you see that at all? It's like a little chill out area. Anyway, I don't know if you can see in there anyway. I've no idea what a Tbilisi is, but it's in there. And then what else have we got? Let's have a little look. Oh, there's a little restaurant. Is this where breakfast is? Okay, cool. Look at this building. It's amazing, right? Snazzy Johnson's. Cool. I guess there's like sauna and stuff as well. Anyway, there's the gym. Let's find the bar. Where am I going here now? I'm already lost. Oh, there's a lift there. I'll just go up the stairs. Yeah, it's well nice here. Look at this little olive tree or whatever that is. Super nice. Hey bro, did you say there was a bar?
The bar is like straight.
It's straight? Just outside?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Cool. I'm gonna go to the bar. Oh yeah, cool, straight. Get a beer. Hey man. Ooh. Cool. Snazzy out here. I'm gonna get a beer. I'm gonna have to turn this off then. Hi. Right, where am I going to stand? Sit. I'm just going to sit. I'll sit over here in the shade. In this little spot here. Get a beer. Cool. Hopefully I'm far enough away from that speaker that I don't have to edit the video for commercial music. Oh. Hey man.
Hello.
Can you get me like a local beer? You have local beer?
Local beer? Yeah, not after Georgian beer.
Yeah, the Georgian beer?
Yeah.
I'll have one of those.
One.
Yeah.
Okay.
They come big, small? How?
It's 400 milligram.
Perfect. Thanks, bro.
Do you want a straw?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Cool. I'm getting I don't know what it is, but it's a local beer. Last time I was here, I wasn't drinking, so no local beers for me last time. Yeah, cool. Oh, this hotel's amazing. Look at that. Look at the building. I love those little bricks. Brickwork, detail. I'm actually buzzing to be here now. In Georgia. I think we're staying here for a couple of nights, a few days, and then we're heading somewhere else. I'm not exactly sure where yet. We made a rough plan, me and Lena. But I think we're going to just make it up as we go along. And then maybe get a car, maybe get a bike. I'm not sure yet. But come along for the journey if you're not already subscribed. Definitely subscribe. Help me out. And maybe I'll wait for Lena and then we'll go and get some food. So I'll show you some Georgian food. Probably get a little shisha as well. And maybe show you a little bit of the town, or at least the area we're in now. Which I have no idea what it's called. But we'll go exploring. I'm going to drink this beer and then wait for her. And then we'll get out. Go and have a little look outside and stuff. Catch you in a bit. Actually, alright, this Georgian beer. I can't remember the name of it. But it's good. So, cheers. Welcome to Georgia. I'm going to try and film every day here. So, get a week's worth of filming, 7 vlogs. Pretty cool. Maybe 8, including this one. Just this bar itself is super nice. I mean, look where I am. Apart from the Bee Gees playing in the background, which I'm going to have to edit out. It's brilliant. So, anyway, what was even that then? I can't even talk. Anyway, I'm going to wait for Lena. I've got an hour, I think, until she gets here. Hour or so. So I'm going to drink one of these, maybe 2, and then we'll bounce out and go and have a little explore. Cheers. Cool. We know where we're going. It's back there, a little place, but just gonna have a little wander up and down the street first, and have a little look. Hungry? I'm starving. We've both not eaten today as well. It looks like it's gonna piss it down.
You know the thingy?
What?
The thingy, they say it's very nice. Lobio.
Lobio with bacon.
Yeah.
That one.
Hello. Сейчас пока еще смотрю.
Loads of Ruskies here, aren't there? Loads of Ruskies.
Oh, I love it. Hello.
Hello. Right, we're going to walk up and down this road and then go and get some food. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, boss.
We're going to a different restaurant because the place we sat down in then had karaoke on full blast. Also, Lena is going to be the translator for this trip because everyone keeps speaking to us in Russian. So I'm just going to be not talking, and then he's going to be doing all the talking. But we found another place down the road, so we're going to go there now. It means we get to walk around the city a little bit, 10 minutes or whatever. Oh wow, yeah, look at all them older buildings and the statue up there. So cool. What are you saying?
Who's that woman on top of the hill?
I have no idea who she is, but I'll put it on the screen because I'll Google it. Cool. Had some amazing food then at this place. Oh shit, make sure I don't get run over. Oh Lena, oh shit, don't get run over. Just had some amazing food then at a restaurant I can't remember the name of. I'll put it on the screen. I'm gonna go and find a shisha and go to bed early so we can get up and go to explore tomorrow and show you around Tbilisi, like a proper full-on day, start to finish. So yeah, I'm going to end it there, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.